Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 3125500 PSA. This is their FS 3003 Intumet Fire Seal, self-adhesive in black. This material is intended to bring a door into compliance with the required codes for sealing a gap that will occur between a door and a frame during a fire event, is what it is. The 3125500, buried in that part number, is really the size. It's 1/2 inch wide. Okay, this material is with the paper backer. They've got it at 1/8 of an inch thick. My caliper's telling me 0.093, so not quite that thick. 0.093. Self-adhesive peel-away tape on the back, suitable for softwood construction or where gap between the door and frame is greater than usual, and used where smoke sealing is not required. Designed for mortised into a wood door or frame, or into an edge strip of a wood or composite door leaf. What they're saying is it's meant to be mortised into the edge of a door, should that be the case. They do also show it applied to a frame as well. There is a link below this video to a document called Installation Instructions, and they are clearly showing that surface mounted. Don't know that you're going to have the ability to necessarily surface mount this. Your gap would have to be very excessive, and the gap itself would certainly exceed what would be permissible for a maximum door gap on a wood fire-rated opening. This material, or material like this, would be used when it has been specifically approved by the authority having jurisdiction to permit you to bring to compliance doors that would otherwise not meet the criteria to be a opening that complies with fire door requirements of NFPA 80. Details down below: its activation temperature is 250 degrees. Its expansion volume is 20 times its original size. Expansion pressure 27 psi. Multi or controlled directional. Stability. So this material, I've actually, brought it to a point where it would actually go into its activation, and it spreads out in its thickness and in its width as well, and will seal the opening. This is flame and moisture resistant, chemically inert and paintable, non-carcinogenic, long life, odor free. It's called a soft puff Intumet, which is designed specifically for doors so that it moves, that the speed at which it expands is gradual, so to speak. This rubber matrix material begins intumescing at a relatively low temperature where organic materials begin to emit combustible and noxious gases. It expands gradually to fill all the gaps with moderate force that will not unlatch the door, and has sufficient reservoir capacity to continue intumescing if escape door are closed again. The FS 3003 also stands up well to the stringent requirements for protecting fire doors and oil rigs, which are subject to especially intense heat and flames. There's also a link below this video to the product brochure that will allow you to review this product against its sister products, and as you do so, you're going to see kind of how they put the part number together. You've got 125 for the thickness, 50 for the width, or 500 for the width. You look at the other sizes and their part numbers, you figure out how they do the sizing. So that document is there, and it's very handy, shows you the other sizes, and it's sold per foot. So be mindful that if you are ordering, you could order 170 feet of it by whatever sort of piece length that you would like. If you're doing 3070 doors, that's 10 of them. You're going to order 20 7-foot pieces and 10 3-foot pieces that would come to 170 feet. So you just order the straight lengths, or if you needed 100 foot, you could also order 5 foot lengths and just order 20 of them. Forgive me, that's actually incorrect. They, according to what I am looking at, the maximum single piece length is 8 foot. So you'll have to order it in pieces. And that's probably because there is no door taller than 8 foot that would be permissible for use of this material. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Zero products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Zero? 3125-500 PSA, and the PSA stands for pressure sensitive adhesive, or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.